Here's another hot rasam for this chilly winter. One your grandmother would surely swear by. We are making pepper rasam. First, we'll take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 2 to 3 garlic pods and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Crush everything into a coarse mixture. The garlic pepper mixture is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and let's keep it aside. Now turn on the gas and heat about 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Now saute this well. And add 2 to 3 dried red chillies, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 1 chopped tomato. Now let's saute everything well until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Now add the tamarind extract, which was prepared by soaking 10 grams of tamarind in water. Add water, adjust the quantity here depending on how sour you like the rasam. Now we'll add salt to taste. Next, let's add the prepared pepper garlic mixture, few curry leaves and coriander leaves with the stems. Finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida. Now let the rasam boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. And then turn off the gas. Our rasam is ready. Now let's transfer it to a serving bowl. This is an excellent home remedy for digestion as well as for cold and cough. You can see how quickly it's made using very basic ingredients from your kitchen. For more such comforting recipes, keep watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe.